Right guys, welcome back to the channel. We've got the C8 RS6 development vehicle on the ramp. This is undergoing some part changes. Obviously we work with multiple part suppliers and we like to test product and we like to test product our own car. Obviously this vehicle is running, as you've probably seen in the previous videos, the TT turbos, so we're just looking to make a change to the cooling system on there. So we've opted for the Wagner coolers. It's come with nice pretty carbon ducts for the cooling to help. So yeah, we're going to test these out. So we're going to stick these on the RS6 and then do some more development from there. Okay, so the intercoolers are on. Who doesn't love, you know, a pretty bit of carbon on there? So obviously bigger ducts, different cores, slightly different design. So we're going to get this on the dyno. We can test some more and just see, you know, if or there are any benefits to it, and just see. You know, I mean, this is what we do with the testing, so we can best advise you guys on the right parts to fit. So we're going to go ahead and get this on the dyno once the front bumper's installed, and then we'll update you in due course. Right, okay, so if you guys, anyone out there looking for an intercooler, whether it be an RS, Golf R, whatever, we can cater for you on the website. If you can't find what you're looking for on the website, don't hesitate to give us a call, ask any questions, or just see if there's anything else available. We've got multiple members of staff waiting to take your call, take your order, and get it out the door.